Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to move Roblox to another drive. First of all, tap on the Windows search bar and search here for Roblox. Then click to open file location of Roblox Player Launcher.exe. Now, you need to find the location of the Roblox launcher, for which what we're going to do is tap on the Windows search bar and search for Run. Tap on Run and pass the command here as %local app data %, then click on OK. After that, it will take you to the Roblox file location. From here, right-click on the Roblox folder and tap to copy it from here. Then paste it into another drive. That's how you can remove Roblox from one drive and move it to others. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.